Hey everyone, so I've made this channel to explore introductory lessons on topics closely related to the medical field. So today we're diving into something so important and fascinating and so vital to understanding the basis of medicine, anatomy and physiology. So these are the sciences of the human body, how we're built and how everything works together to keep us alive and moving. So let's break that down. Anatomy is the study of the structure of the body, like your bones, muscles, organs, etc. Physiology, on the other hand, is the study of the function, how those parts work and interact. So on the left here we have a picture representing anatomy, and the right represents physiology. And the main difference between the two is structure versus function. So think of your body like a complex machine. Anatomy tells us what parts are in the machine, while physiology explains how the machine runs. So here is an example presented. So on the left we can see your heart, and your heart is an organ, right? So that's anatomy. On the right side, we have a picture representing your heart pumping blood throughout the body, which makes it physiology, as it's showing how your heart actually functions within your body. So let's quickly go through a few terms which are important to understanding anatomy and physiology. So cells. Cells are the smallest unit of life, and then we have tissues, and those are groups of cells that work together. Organs, on the bottom left, are made of different tissues and perform specific jobs, and organ systems are groups of organs that work together, such as the digestive system. And you can kind of notice how all these build off of each other, like tissues are made of cells, organs are made of tissues, and organ systems are made of the various organs. So that leads us into our 5 main organ systems of the human body. So we have the circulatory, nervous, skeletal, respiratory, digestive, and muscular systems. So the skeletal system are your bones that support and protect your body. Your muscular system are muscles that help you move. Your circulatory system are your heart and blood vessels that transport nutrients and oxygen. Your respiratory system consists of your lung and airways that help you breathe, and your digestive system are your stomach and intestines that break down your food. So all these systems work together, and if one has a problem, the others definitely will feel it as well. So now it's your turn to practice. We're going to do a quick matchup, and I'll say a body part or organ, and you can feel free to pause and decide what system it belongs to. Let's get started. So first, what system does the heart belong to? So that goes in your circulatory system. Next, what system do the lungs belong to? That would be your respiratory system. And then which system does the stomach belong to? That would be your digestive system. And last but not least, what system does the femur or thigh bone belong to? That would be your skeletal system. So in a recap of what we learned today, we covered 3 main topics: anatomy, which is about what your body is made of; physiology, which is about how the body actually functions within your body; and then organ systems, which is how your body has multiple systems that are all working together to keep you alive and active. So next time you go for a run or a walk, just take a minute to pause and take a deep breath and think about all the amazing machines working inside your body and how your body is actively working to keep you alive and healthy. So thank you for listening to this lesson, and make sure to tune in to the next one.